Alright, we've got a 2006 Suzuki GS500. We've got a little bit of oil leaking, so the customers asked us to replace the clutch push rod seal, and I'm also going to change the gear shift seal in there as well. I've already taken some of this apart, so first thing you need to do is take out, you got a bunch of 8mm bolts. After that, it is a little bit of work, but you can slowly get this thing loose. Normally you've got some guides that will stick in there. You're going to have your pin that goes in there, which is right down there. So, and then of course your shaft goes through there, so it's not just going to fall apart. Once you get that off, it all just falls apart like that. Pretty cool. I actually set all that stuff back on there just so I could show you. First thing you want to do is take off your sprocket. You'll have a snap ring that holds it on. Goes through the slot right there. After you pull it off, you actually have this retainer plate. Two 10mm bolts. One goes right there where it's shiny, the other one goes right there. After that, you can go ahead and pull your rod out slowly here, and you don't want to scratch your walls where your seal goes. On this particular seal, I used a flathead screwdriver in there, and I was able to just put pressure on this and I popped it on out. So that seal came out really easy. This other one's going to be a little bit more of a booger. I'm going to see if I can't find a pick or something to get it out. Alright, I've got my new seal in there. I can reassemble this. I looked at this seal, it doesn't look like it's leaking, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave that one in there. He didn't actually ask me to change that one anyway. I will double check it. I'm going to clean that up real good and make sure there ain't no oil there. But it definitely was coming out of the push rod, so we'll definitely take care of that one. You can actually see it all over the rod there. So anyway, we're going to put it back together now. Alright, I've got my retainer back on. Now up right in here, this actually slides into a little groove, so you need to put that in first and then angle it back and it'll lock in. If you just try and bolt it up, you're going to kink that over there and bend the heck out of that plate. So know that this whole edge right here slides into this groove. I'm going to tighten this up and we'll go from there. Alright, we've got our sprocket and our snap ring back on. I went ahead and cleaned the edge of my case real good. I ran out of carb cleaner today, so I don't have enough to actually just clean all that out. But it's not going to hurt anything. So you do have a little retainer right there, so make sure you don't get anything kinked when you're putting that back in. That'll end up going in right there. And that's one of the things you have to jiggle to get the thing to come apart too. So now we're going to put her together. Just put it back together, put some 8mm bolts in it. Alright, she is back together and working. So that's it.